To get a new global entry card, you will need to follow these steps. First, ensure you have a valid global entry membership. If your membership has expired, you will need to renew it before proceeding. Next, log in to your Trusted Traveler Programs account. This is the same account you used to apply for global entry. Once logged in, click on the Manage Membership button and then select the Replace Card option. You will then be prompted to confirm your identity and provide a reason for the replacement. Select the correct reason and continue. If your card is lost or stolen, you will need to report this to U.S. Customs and Border Protection. After submitting your request, you will need to pay the replacement fee. This fee is currently $25 and can be paid by credit or debit card. Once your payment has been processed, your new card will be mailed to you. This typically takes 7 to 10 business days. You can track the status of your replacement card by logging into your Trusted Traveler Programs account. When you receive your new card, sign the back and ensure it is activated before your next international trip. If you have any issues with the replacement process, you can contact U.S. Customs and Border Protection for assistance. It is also recommended that you update your airline and hotel loyalty programs with your new card information to ensure seamless travel. By following these steps, you can easily replace your global entry card and continue to enjoy the benefits of the program.